Welcome back, gamers! Today, I'm going to share all new codes, all working codes for 99 Nights In, the first in October 2025. These dot codes will help you get free diamonds, boosts, and more rewards in Roblox. Don't skip, watch the video till the end. All codes are 100% working and tested. Want more codes every week? Then don't forget to .1 like this video, to subscribe with bell icon. 3 comment your Roblox username for surprise giveaways. Disclaimer: these codes are shared for educational purposes only. We do not guarantee code availability, as developers may change or expire them anytime. Now type your redeem codes places. Check my YouTube channel video description box. Drop a comment below if any code didn't work for you. I'll try to help or send gifts directly to your account. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more Roblox updates and new codes. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tutorials.